Hello, it's Rosebud, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make orange and turmeric face pack for radiant skin. So, why oranges? Well, citrus fruits like oranges are a great source of vitamin C, which is considered to be a powerful antioxidant and slows down the signs of aging. Also, orange juice acts as a natural skin toner and a skin brightening agent, which I'm going to show you later on in the video how to make a natural orange juice skin toner, and that will help improve your skin tone and give you a natural glow. Well, look out for that later on in the video. So, to start with, we're going to cut an orange in half. The best oranges to use are the larger ones, as they are packed with vitamin C. And squeeze the orange. You only need half an orange for the face pack, but I'm going to squeeze all the orange. With the rest of the orange juice, I'm going to show you how to make a orange face cleanser. I'm also going to show you how to make a homemade serum using orange juice, so please stay tuned. In a bowl, add 2 teaspoons of gram flour, 3 teaspoons of orange juice, and just mix together. Taking orange juice helps to hydrate the skin. Vitamin C is vital in collagen production. To that, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. You can add a bit more orange juice if required. I'm going to add a little bit more to get this smooth texture and mix it. So you want this kind of consistency, not too runny, not too dry. It will be easy to apply on the face using a makeup brush. And let me just show you what I mean. Just going to apply a bit on my hand, and there you can see the texture there. So what you need to do now is apply it to your face. So make sure your face is clean from any makeup, oils, etc. And try to avoid the eye area. The citric acids in the oranges work as a skin toner that can help remove excess oil. So if you've got oily skin, this is very good for your skin. And it will also help tighten the skin pores as well. And the turmeric is known for its antimicrobial properties that can help fight against skin breakouts like acne, pimples and blackheads. So combine these 2 ingredients together to make a skin cleansing pack. And rubbing orange juice on your face is beneficial for cleansing the clogged pores, and is also good at preventing acne, pimples, wrinkles and fine lines. I'm also going to apply that to my neck as well. Just leave on between 20 and 30 minutes or until it's completely dry. Wash off with warm water and voila! Brighter, softer, smoother, glowing skin. What can I say? Thank me later. Orange juice helps to make you look young, enhances the beauty of your skin. Vitamin C also prevents free radicals and provides freshness to your skin and gives elasticity to the face. Okay, moving on, we're now going to make a face cleanser / toner. So to make this, add 1 teaspoon of orange juice in a bowl, and you want to add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice as well. So mix together, and that's it. Simple as that. It's a simple recipe to help remove dirt, oils from your skin. So using a cotton pad, I'm going to gently dip into the mixture and apply onto my face like so, wiping away all the day's dirt. Just be careful around the eye area, as it will sting if you get it into your eyes. And don't forget your neck area as well. Oranges are a great source of vitamin C, which is considered to be a powerful antioxidant that is responsible for fighting harmful free radicals and slowing down the signs of aging. Orange juice acts as a natural skin toner and skin brightening agent that can help in improving your skin tone and its natural glow. And that's it. Next we have, I'm going to show you how to make a face serum. So using the rest of the orange juice, I'm going to put 5 tablespoons into a bowl. And to that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, which you can get at your local health store. I got this from Holland and Barrett's. Couldn't find it anywhere else, but in your health store you should be able to find it. Mix together. And to that I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of rose water, 1 teaspoon of almond oil. This will help moisture the skin. And finally I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of this glycerin. You can store this in the fridge for up to between 3 and 5 days. So that's it. 3 different ways to use oranges into your beauty routine. So that's it, 3 different recipes using oranges to make beauty products naturally. Okay, I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.